Today, I will gonna teach you how to process bulk request order in our warehouse inventory management system. So here, under the pick and pack schedule, you click the bulk request order and it will show you this. These are the list of bulk order requests that we have presently. So we will gonna make a new bulk order request. Here, let's try this one, the same date. We will just add clients here for bulk order. So let's click this one, 11 a.m. and then reserve a bulk request order. So when the pop-up comes out, you will see the request item here that you can put the item SKU and click and just put the item SKU and click filter. And it will show you this. It means these are the available stock for this specific SKU. So let's just say we will order 500 out of this 2,000 and then click post and then click done. And then going down, you will see the bulk order that you have requested. Once you click the pick location will come out. This is the location of all the items that is available for the specified item SKU that you have requested. And the quantity that you required is 500. So you will choose among these locations where you will get the 500 that you request. So let's try getting it from here, from this location, from this lot number 371 UNB. And then click pick. You see, when you click the pick, the 1,000 becomes 500 and the pick quantity goes here. So it means we have minus the pick item from the available stock and click done. Whatever you pick will go down here. It will show here below. That's our bulk order request. So let's put the reference ID and then click save. Once you click the save, you will see on the reserve bulk request order, the status will become obtained. It means you have already reserved these 500 pesos to bulk order for the request of the clients. So that's how to create a bulk order request in our warehouse inventory management system. In the next video, I will teach you how to create a separate pick list for each purchase order. Thank you!